Hello friends, welcome back to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we came with jackfruit seed recipe. It is a very tasty recipe. Also, it is very good for health. You can try this recipe at lunchtime with rice. We all know that the jackfruit seed is very good for our health. It is high protein. Also, we made this recipe without onion and garlic, because you all know that our channel is a pure vegetarian channel. So we made all the recipe without onion and garlic. It is pure vegetarian. So please watch my video till end. So let's go and see how it is made. For making the recipe, first we peel all the outer part of the seed. Then we take a potato and cut it into cube size. You can see it. After that, we washed all the seed very nicely and give it into the pressure cooker. Then we give 1 cup of water into it. After that, we give some salt into it and put the lid of the pressure cooker. Then we give 3 whistles into it. After 3 whistles, you can see our all seeds boiled very nicely. You can see it. After that, we take a pan and give some oil into it. Then we give the potato into it and fried it very nicely. Now we give some salt and turmeric powder into it and fried it into medium flame very nicely. When it become golden brown, now we put it down on a plate. After that, on same oil, we give the boiled seed into it. Before giving the seed into it, you have to remove all the water of the seed. Now we give salt and turmeric powder into it and fried it very nicely in medium flame till it become golden brown. You can see it become golden brown. Now I will put it down on a plate. After that, on same oil, now I will give some white cumin and ginger paste into it. After that, I fried the ginger paste very nicely, because if you fried the ginger paste very nicely, you don't need to give the onion or garlic, because it tastes very high. After that, we give tomato, capsicum, green chili and some curry leaves into it and fried it very nicely. After that, I give some salt and turmeric powder into it. If you need, you can give the curry leaves before giving the tomato and capsicum. It is optional. Now I fried all the ingredients very nicely. After frying all the vegetables very nicely, now I will add Kashmiri red mirchi powder into it. It is optional. If you want, you can add, or if you don't want, you cannot. After that, I will give the water into it. You can give the water according to your taste, how much juicy you want to eat. After that, I mix all the vegetables with the water very nicely and boiled it little more. After boiling the water like this, now I will add homemade beej masala and homemade darachini masala. It is totally homemade and I already uploaded the video of these 2 masalas. If you want, you can check the video. Now I will add fried potato and jackfruit seed into it and mix it very nicely. Now I will boil it 2 minutes more. After 2 minutes, you can see our gravy is ready. Now I will serve it into a plate. So friends, our today's recipe, jackfruit seed recipe, is ready to serve. You can try this recipe at your home. Please try this recipe at lunch with rice. Also comments me how tasty it is. So friends, please like and share this video to your family and your friends. Thank you for watching my video.